Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be focusing on Thanksgiving. So happy early Thanksgiving. The answer to yesterday's riddle is the letter R. On this slide, I just want to show you what how you can highlight the main idea and three supporting details in this text. So if you go inside the text, then you see a new bar is going to pop up. Right here, this little paintbrush is your highlight. So if you think that this is the main idea, you would highlight that sentence and then you would go up to the paintbrush and select a color that you would like to highlight that sentence with. So that is the way it would look. And then you would find your three supporting details. So I would like you to highlight your main idea in one color and then your three supporting details in another color. So you should have two colors, one for your main idea, one for your supporting details.